Dear students, Namaskaram. This video is for the students of class 10th who are going to appear for the CBSE board examination in the subject Sanskrit. In the question paper, Sanskrit question paper, there is a part Anuprayukta Vyakaranam. In Anuprayukta Vyakaranam, the first question is Sandhi. So in Sandhi, what all are questions likely to come that I would like to discuss in this video. First Sandhi is Dirgha Sandhi, and that is a simple Sandhi only. Dirgha Sandhi is A plus A, E plus E, U plus U, R plus R. These four types of Sandhis are coming under Dirgha Sandhi. A plus A, Dhana plus Arthi, for example. Dhana, the last letter of first word is A, and the first letter of second word is A. Dhana plus Arthi, Dhanarthi. This last letter of first word can be A or A, and the first letter of second word can be A or A, and we are getting the answer A only. Similarly, E plus E can be Hraswam or Dirgham, and U plus U can be Hraswam or Dirgham, and R plus R can be Hraswam or Dirgham. And finally the answer is Dirgham only, A, E, U, R, that we are getting. Example, Loka plus Abhavadaha, Lokabhavadaha. Dhana plus Arthi, Dhanarthi. Vidya plus Arthi, Vidyarthi. Vidya plus Alayaha, Vidyalayaha. Similarly, E plus E is equal to E. There, in Lashmi plus Ishaha, Lashmishaha. Hari plus Icha, Haricha. Vadhu plus Urmihi, Vadhurmihi. This type of words are coming under Dirgha Sandhi. Okay, I hope you understood Dirgha Sandhi. Then Guna Sandhi. Next comes Guna Sandhi. In Guna Sandhi, A plus E is equal to A plus U is equal to O, A plus R is equal to R, A plus R is equal to Al. Okay, A plus E A plus U O, A plus R R, A plus R Al. Here also I told A plus E is equal to A can be A or A, E can be E or E, it can be Hraswam or Dirgham, and the word we are getting is A plus E is equal to A. Example, Gana plus Ishaha, Ganeshaha. Gana plus Ishaha, Ganeshaha. Loka plus Icha, Logecha. Nara plus Ishaha, Nareshaha. Mada plus Uddadaha, Madoddadaha. Yadha plus Ujidam, Yadhojidam. Okay, these are the examples for Guna Sandhi. Then next Sandhi is Vriddhi Sandhi. In Vriddhi Sandhi, A plus A is equal to I. A plus A is equal to I. A plus O is equal to O. Here A can be A or A can be A or I, but the answer is I only. A plus A is equal to I, A plus O is equal to O. Example, Eka plus Ekaha, Ekaigaha. Udyamana plus Eva, Udyamenaiva. Maha plus Aishwaryam, Maheshwaryam. Vana plus Oshadihi, Vanaushadihi. A plus O is equal to O. Vana plus Oshadihi, Vanaushadihi. Maha plus Oshadihi, Mahaushadihi. Parama plus Aushadaha, Paramaushadaha. Okay, this is Vriddhi Sandhi. Then comes a Yen Sandhi. In Yen Sandhi, the last letter of first word can be E, not A. E or U or R or L. Okay, that means in Dirgha Sandhi, the last letter of first word is A or E or U or R, and we are adding same swaras together. That is Dirgha Sandhi. In Guna Sandhi, A plus E is equal to A plus U is equal to O, A plus R is equal to R, A plus R is equal to Al. Here also the last letter of first word is A only. In Vriddhi Sandhi also A plus A plus O. The last letter of first word is A only. But in Yen Sandhi, the last letter of first word is E. E plus A is equal to Ya. E plus A, Ya. U plus A, Va. R plus A, Ra. L plus A, La. Ya, Va, Ra, La. That is Yen Sandhi. Example, Pradi plus Upagaram, Pratyupagaram. Idi plus Edat, Ityedat. Pradi plus Egam, Pratyegam. Yadi plus Abhi, Yadyabi. Okay. Anu plus Ayaha, Anwayaha. Su plus Agadam, Swagadam. U plus A is equal to Va. Su plus Agadam, Swagadam. Pidru plus Atna, Pitratna. R plus A, Ra, Pitratna. Then Madru plus Anugamanam, Matranugamanam. L plus Agaraha, Lagaraha. L plus Agridihi, Lagridihi. Okay, these all are coming under Yen Sandhi. Now, this, one more Sandhi is there in Swara Sandhi, that is Ayadi Sandhi. In Ayadi Sandhi, what you have to note down is that A, I, O, Au. A, I, O, Au will become I, Av, Av. A, I, O, Au will become I, Av, Av. Okay. Example, Ne plus Anam, Nayanam. She plus Anam, Shayanam. Nai plus Agaha, Nayagaha. Gai plus Agaha, Gayagaha. Nai plus Iga, Naiga. Bo plus Anam, Bhavanam. Po plus Anaha, Pavanaha. Bau plus Ana, Bhavana. Now plus Avadu, Navavadu. Pau plus Akaha, Pavagaha. Now plus Ikaha, Navikaha. Everywhere we understood A, I, O, Au. A will become I will become I, O will become Av, Au will become Av. A, I, O, Au corresponding I, Av, Av. Okay, in that way it is coming. Now next comes Vyanjana Sandhi. In Vyanjana Sandhi, one example, Tad plus Uchyadam, Tad Uchyadam. What we are saying here, Tad plus Uchyadam, Tad Uchyadam. The first letter of Varga. The first letter of Varga. Kavargam, Chavargam, Tavargam, Tavargam, Pavargam. The first letter plus Swaram or Varga Tridiya Chadurtha Panchamam. The third letter, fourth letter, fifth letter of Vargas or Yara, La, Va, Ha. If these letters are coming, then the first letter will become, or the first letter will be changed into third letter. Tad plus Uchyadam. ta will become da. Tad uchyadam, tad uchyadam. Balat plus iva, baladiva. Jagat plus ishaha, jagadishaha. Shat plus ananaha, shadananaha. Okay. Sup plus andaha, subandaha. Okay. Dik plus brahmaha, digbrahmaha. Okay. Dik plus gajaha, diggajaha. Okay. What happens here? The first, that means a tad plus uchyadam, that the first word last letter is t. T will become d. Okay, that is coming here. Vyanjana sandhi, under Vyanjana sandhi. Then in Vyanjana sandhi, another example. Pabinam plus cha, pabinanja. Here m will become the anunasigam, the fifth letter of nya. Pabinam plus cha, pabinanja. Aham plus tu, ahamtu. Kadham plus chana, kadhanjana. These are our examples. Then vak plus mayam, vangmayam. Okay, here ma is anunasigam and k, vak plus mayam, k is varga pradhamaksharam and k will be changed into the last letter or anunasigam of that varga. Kavargam anunasigam is nga. So vak plus mayam, vangmayam. Sat plus margam, sanmargam. Sat plus margam, sanmargam. After plus ma comes, ma is anunasigam only, and sat t will become n. Sat plus margam, sanmargam. Shat plus masaha, shanmasaha. Okay, these all are coming under this sandhi. Then one more sandhi is there, Purva Rupa sandhi. In Purva Rupa sandhi, sarve plus atra, sarvetra. Te plus abi, tebi. Sarve plus atra, sarvetra. Sarve is Purva Rupam. And sarve plus atra, what happens? A will disappear and one avagraha chinnam, yes, will be there. And sarve plus atra, sarvetra. Te plus abi, tebi. Vrikshe plus abi, vrikshebi. Jale plus asti, jalesti. Okay, these all are coming under this Purva Rupa sandhi. Okay, then next is Visarga sandhi. In Visarga sandhi, A Binnaswaram Visarga Lobam. First one we should understand that after Visarga, if A Binnaswaram comes, A Binnaswaram means if any swara other than A comes, Visarga will disappear. Okay, that is Visarga. Example, Arjunaha plus Uvaja, Arjuna Uvaja. Arjunaha plus Uvaja, Arjuna Uvaja. Arjunaha Visarga. After Visarga, Uvaja, U is coming. U is swaram only, it is not A. A binna swaram. A other than A, any other swaram. A, I, U, R, L, A, I, O, Au. In these swaras, any swara can come. If it is coming like that, what happens? Visarga will disappear. Example, Arjunaha plus Uvaja, Arjuna Uvaja. Visarga will disappear. Krodhaha plus Esha, Krodha Esha. Kagaha plus Agachadi, Kaga Agachadi. Adarshaha plus Eva, Adarsha Eva. Suryaha plus Udedi, Surya Udedi. These are the examples. Okay, A Binnaswara Visarga Loba. Okay, then if A comes, what will happen? After Visarga, if A comes, what will happen? Prayuktaha plus Ayam. Example, Prayuktaha, Visarga is there. After Visarga, Ayam, A is there. So what happen? If Prayuktaha plus Ayam, what will happen? The Prayuktaha will become, that Visarga will become U. And Prayukta last letter is A. A plus U. Visarga will be changed into U. A plus U, O. So Prayuktaha will become Prayukto. Then Prayuktoyam, A will disappear. Visarga will become O and the letter A will disappear. Prayuktah plus ayam, prayuktoyam, and to denote that the letter A disappeared, we are putting a symbol avagraham, that is called avagraham. That symbol, yes, one yes we are putting there. Prayuktah plus ayam, prayuktoyam. Kidaha plus abi, kidobi. Saha plus abi, sobi. Kaha plus abi, kobi. Koshaha plus ayam, koshoyam. Anyaha plus abi, anyobi. Radaha plus asau, ratosau. These are the examples. Okay, if A comes, Visarga will become O and A will disappear. Okay, that changes is happening in this Visarga Sandhi. Then, after Visarga, if Varga Tridiya Chadurtha Panchamaha or Yevrlh, if these letters are coming after Visarga, then Visarga will become U, A plus U, O. Example, Chandraha plus Nama. Chandraha plus Nama. After plus, that means the first letter of second word is Na. After Visarga, Na is coming. Chandraha plus Nama, then Chandro Nama. Chandraha plus Nama, Chandro Nama. So the rule is, after Visarga, if Varga Tridiya Chadurtha Panchamam, Kavargam, Chavargam, Tavargam, Tavargam, Pavargam, if all these 5 Vargas, third letter, fourth letter or fifth letter, or Yavaralla or Ha, if these letters are coming, then Visarga will become O. Chandraha, Chandro. Chandraha Nama, Chandro Nama. Kaha plus Vedaha, Ko Vedaha. Balaha Davadi, Balo Davadi. Ramaha Gadaha, Ramo Gadaha. Dasharadaha Nama, Dasharadho Nama. Vrikshaha Vardade, Vriksho Vardade. Simhaha Garjadi, Simho Garjadi. Okay, in that way changes are coming. Then, so we discussed after Visarga in Vyanjanas, all the 5 Vargas, Kavargam, Chavargam, Tavargam, Tavargam, Pavargam. In all these 5 Vargas, if 3, 4, 5, the letters 3, 4, 5, third letter, fourth letter or fifth letter in all these Vargas, and Yavaralaha, if these letters are coming, what is the change? What is changes is happening, that we have discussed. Then what is left out? The first 2 letters are left out. Kavargam, Chavargam, Tavargam, Tavargam, Pavargam. Okay, Kavargam, Kagha, first 2 letters Kagha. Chavargam, Cha-cha. Tavargam, Ta-tha. Tavargam, Ta-tha. Pavargam, Pa-fa. Okay, these all are left out. And Yavarala Ha we already discussed. Then what is left out there? Sha, Sha, Sa. They are left out. These letters are left out. That we will discuss now. The first Varga is Kavargam and the last Varga is Pavargam. So that I will tell you afterwards. Chavargam, Tavargam, Tavargam. Chavargam first letter Cha, Cha. After Visarga, if Cha or Cha or Sha, 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 Sa, in that Sha, Sha, Saha, there Sha. If Sha comes, Visarga will become Sh. Example, Ramaha plus Cha, Ramascha. Kaha plus Chid, Kaschid. Mrigaha plus Charandi, Mrigas Charandi. Kaha plus Chana, Kaschana. Here what we have seen, after Visarga, Cha is coming. Then Visarga is changed into Sh. Kaha plus Chid, Kaschid. Okay. Now, Chavargam over. Then Tavargam, Ta, Tha. After Visarga, if Ta, Tha or Sha comes, Visarga will be changed into Sh. Danuhu, example, Danuhu plus Tangaraha, Danush Tangaraha. Danuhu plus Tangaraha, Dhanushtankaraha. Visarga will be changed into sh. Gajaha plus shashtaha, Gajashashtaha. Okay, that change is happening there. Then Chavargam over, Kavargam, Chavargam, Tavargam also over, then Tavargam, Ta, Tha. After Visarga, if Tha, Dha or Sa comes, then Visarga will be changed into S. Example, Saraha plus Tire, Sarastire. Saraha plus Tire, Sarastire. After Visarga, the letter Ta is coming. Karyakramaha plus Tu, Karyakramastu. Idaha plus Tadaha, Idastadaha. Krishnaha plus Tada, Krishnastada. These all are the examples. Then another Visarga Sandhi is after the Visarga, if other than Aha, that means Ihi, Uhu, Ehe, Oho. If other swaras comes, then Visarga will be changed into R. That is another one. Okay. A Binnaswaram. A Binnaswarad Param Visarga. A varan padilla. A. Then A without A ഒഴികെ other swaras. E, U, R, all other swaras are coming. Then Visarga is coming. Then after plus, the first letter of second word is Swaraha or Varga Tradiya Chaturtha Panchamaha comes. Visarga will be changed into R. Example, Chakshuhu plus Dhanam, Chakshurdanam. Chakshuhu plus Dhanam, Chakshurdanam. Visarga will be changed into R. Edayoho plus Janani, Edayor Janani. Visarga is changed into R. Chakshuhu plus Hina, Chakshurhinaha. Nihi plus Balaha, Nirbalaha. These are the examples. Then if Swara comes, so after Visarga, if Swara comes, Swara will be joined with Re. Example, Vayoho plus Iva, Vayoriva. Vayoho plus Iva, Vayoriva. Srishtihi plus Esha, Srishtiresha. Vrishtehe plus Abhinandanam, Vrishterabhinandanam. Then Sarvehi plus Eva, Sarveireva. Munihi plus Ayam, Munirayam. Okay, these are the examples for that changes. That is Visarga Sandhi. So very important. Out of these Sandhis, one question is you can expect in Visarga Sandhi. All these Sandhis, Dirgha Sandhi or Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi, End Sandhi. From there also one question will be there. And in Visarga Sandhi you can expect one question. Definitely it will be coming. And Vyanjana Sandhi also one question will be there. Okay. These are the different type of Sandhis. I hope you understood this one. And thank you children. Thank you very much. And in the next video, the next grammar portion, that is Samasam, is there. About Samasam I will do the next video. Okay, I will come before you in the next video with different types of Samasas and examples. Okay, thank you.